Doing a late night here in the shop. Got a VX 1.8. Only running on 2 cylinders. Pretty common. Ever since Yamaha went to these plastic manifolds, it's the fuel injector wires. They actually start coming loose out of the plug. So, customer's out of warranty and stuff. Dealership would charge who knows how much to put a whole new harness in and everything else. Luckily I was able to locate these connectors and keep them readily available in our shop. We'll get them swapped out and get these connectors in, and won't have any more issues. You can see this has actually got the brown seal on the back, where Yamaha's got the orange and the black. So I think these are sealing a little bit better and holding the terminals in there a little bit better. So we'll get this customer going and get a tune-up done in the ski and get him back on the water. Foggy morning this morning for a little bit of testing. Fog's thinned up a little bit so we can see more. Nobody's out, but got the fuel injector wires changed up. Running on all 4 cylinders now. Not running on just 2.5 randomly. Cylinder 3 was intermittent. Fuel injector wires definitely fixed it. Fresh spark plugs, oil, filters, normal service. Running much better. He's got a really old fuel. He's been sitting over winter, so that's why it's kind of got a slight vibration to it still. So wait and see if the customer wants us to flush the fuel system out or if he wants to run it. Other than that, you'll hear when I accelerate. I notice it's got a good bit of cavitation, so I'll take a peek at the prop and see if the prop's damaged or the outside housing of the pump around the prop. See if you can hear it in the video. We'll climb up underneath and see what we got going on in the pump housing, and see what the repair cost would be, if it is anything, if it's just a little bit of rope stuck in there, or if it's damaged prop or something, and get an estimate sent over to the customer. So here's the repair to the fuel injector harnesses. As you see, I leave the pigtails a little bit long, run it forward, tape it up. That way there's no stress on it pulling on the wires or whatnot. It's still pretty loose. Looks factory, nice and clean. Obviously factory's got the colored wires there, but to get that you gotta replace the whole harness. Not worth it. So ski runs really good. We're looking into the cavitation issue. Sounds like the customer doesn't want to repair it any further for cavitations, so we'll get this one wrapped up and send it down the waterway.